In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a donation tracker in Airtable for nonprofits. We'll start by creating your workspace. On a desktop browser, log into Airtable. From the home screen, click Add a Base and choose. Start from scratch if you want a brand new setup, or open an existing base you'd like to use for donation tracking. Either option works. The key is having a dedicated space to keep your fundraising organized. Next, set up your main table. Rename the first table to donations, so it's clear what it's for. Then add the fields you'll need. Donor name as a single line text field. Donation amount set to currency, so totals and formatting are consistent. Donation type as a single select with one-time and recurring. Payment method as a single select with options like cash, bank transfer, credit card and online. Campaign as a single line text. Donation date as a date field. Receipt sent as a simple checkbox, and notes as a long text field for any details. This donations table becomes your central log, and getting the field types right now saves time later. As donations come in, add a new record for each one. Enter the donor, amount, type, method, campaign, and date, and jot any context in notes. After you send an acknowledgement or receipt, check the receipt sent box. That tiny step helps you avoid duplicate follow-ups and keep stewardship on track. To make the data easy to use, create a few views tailored to common needs. A recent donations view can filter by donation date to show the latest gifts. A recurring donations view can filter donation type to display only recurring gifts. A donations by campaign view helps you monitor specific initiatives. And a high-value donations view can filter by donation amount above a threshold you define. These views let you focus quickly without changing your raw data. Quick reminder, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description. Open it and follow along so you can set up your tracker as we go. When you're reviewing results, use sort and filter. Sort by donation date to see the newest at the top, or by donation amount to surface major gifts. Filter by campaign to analyze a single fundraiser's performance. Saving these sorts and filters within views keeps your workflow consistent for your team. Finally, maintain a clean workspace by archiving old campaigns or completed donations using filtered views. Keep your active views focused on current fundraising, and store the rest in an archive view so historical data stays accessible without cluttering your day-to-day work. That's how you can manage donations in Airtable and organize nonprofit fundraising efficiently. Thanks for watching.